morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher. How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
I am fine.
Okay, thank you. Sit down. Okay. In the class, learned about the body part. Okay. Everybody close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes. Okay. Please touch your nose. Touch your mouth. Touch your ears. Touch your back. Touch your neck. Touch your lip. Touch your stomach. Touch your head. Okay. Then, okay, everybody are good. Okay. Now I explain. Actually, in the clinical test, every student has number. Student number 1, student number 2, and you evaluate yourself. Okay, and you stick star in the chart. Do you understand? Okay. Okay, every book is good. For lesson I give 5 points. And please now, I have a hat. Okay, no. I have a hat. I have a headache. Okay, very good student. I have a headache. I have an ear. I have an earache. Okay. Today we will study about ache. Today's topic is take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Please write topic in your notebook. Take care of yourself. 그리고 삼과 달에 해 달에 기도 take care of yourself. Okay, now I'm sure the teachers, please look at me and repeat after me. Backache, 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 backache. Toothache, 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 toothache. Broken arm, broken arm, broken arm, broken arm. Earache, 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 earache. Headache, 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 headache. Runny nose, runny nose, runny nose, runny Okay, have you finished?
Yes.
Listen, okay. Please learn the question. What's the matter? What's the matter? Okay, you can answer. I have a headache. What's the matter?
I have toothache.
I have a toothache. What's the matter?
I have a
I have a stomachache. Okay, very good. What's the matter? I have a
toothache.
toothache. Okay. Okay. Okay, learn the conversation. Okay. I have some questions. Topic number 1. What's the matter?
I have toothache.
I have toothache. Okay. You should go see a doctor. You should see a doctor. Okay. You should. Should. It is your should. Should. Okay. Part is right. Should. You should. You shouldn't. You shouldn't. You should see a dentist. Shouldn't. You shouldn't drink cold water. You shouldn't eat candy. Okay, very good study. Very good. Very good. Good. Table. Bed. Please learn their pronunciation, please. How do you feel?
I feel terrible.
Sister. What's the matter?
I have a
Headache. And it is fever.
fever.
You should take medicine. You shouldn't go out. Shouldn't. Go through. Shouldn't. Okay. Now we have a speaking practice. Please talk each other about you have a doctor and a patient. And you make the dialogue and role play. Okay. You have role playing. You have a doctor, a patient. Okay? Doctor and patient. Okay. Make dialogue, right? And play. You have a doctor and a patient. Okay. Make dialogue. Who wants to be a doctor? Who wants to be a patient? How is that? Hello. Take medicine. Yes, interested. Yes. Take medicine. If you don't know, you cannot sleep. If you don't know, you cannot sleep. More. Okay. Have you finished? Yes. Okay, first row come here. Fourth row come here. Phone. To bed. Doctor. Okay, you are. Please. Renato. Okay.
Hello, doctor. Hello. What's your name? My name is Fatima. I'm Sahaya. I'm 15. What teacher? I had toothache. Often your mouth. I feel sleepy. You should take medicine. You shouldn't take medicine. Okay? Yes. Goodbye. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Here we start. Excellent. 3, 4 students. Third. Okay, next one. Please. I give you score. Speaking.
Hello, doctor. Hello. What's your name? My name is Fernandez. How are you? I am interested. What's the reason? I have a flashback. I feel big. I feel good. You shouldn't hit him.
You shouldn't lift things.
You should go to bed. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Yeah, excellent. Next, third row, please.
Hello, doctor. My name is Mama. Hold on. I'm interested. What's the difference? I have a cold, a really nice helpful too. I prefer. Okay. You should call this. You should take me back. Thank you. Goodbye. See you.
Okay, very good students. Okay, excellent. You have high score. Okay, now you are right. Some advice for the people. Right? Some advice. Yes. For the people. 35, 4, 88%, you're right, 58%, 78%, you're right. If you finish, please speak it. Okay. Please read. Please read. What's the letter with her? What's the letter? She. I have. I have something. Okay. I have a synonym. You can say she has synonym. One thing. And she should. You should take medicine. Shouldn't go out. That's a good student. Good student. Very good. Come here. What's the matter? She has a runny nose. She has a runny nose. Very good. And, you should cold water, but should go to bed and go to sleep. You should drink cold water. Okay, now we have listening task. You listen to the demonstration and complete the chart. Everybody carefully listen, please. And chart the, please complete the chart. People.
Conversation 1.
And then you don't look so.
I feel terrible.
What's the matter?
I have a bad cold.
What happened?
I had a picnic with my friends yesterday. Maybe I didn't wear enough long clothes.
Well, now you shouldn't be at school. You should go home. You should drink hot tea with lemon and go to bed early.
I see.
If that doesn't work, you should see a doctor. One more time, please, listen. Okay. Yes. Listen again. Listen to the conversation. Look into what happens to people.
Conversation 1.
And then, you don't look well.
I feel terrible.
What's the matter?
I have a bad cold.
What happened?
I had a picnic with my friends yesterday. Maybe I didn't wear enough long clothes.
Well, now you shouldn't be at school. You should go home. You should drink hot tea with lemon and go to bed early.
I see.
If that doesn't work, you should see a doctor. Okay. Have you finished and again listen? Yeah. Yes or no? Listen. Want to listen? No. Okay, very good. And first group, please. First group, please. Read. What's the matter with the ant? Please, terrible. And what's the matter? He has baking. He has baking. Okay. And next one. What's the matter with her?
I have
I have. She has. They can. Okay. Next.
She has biscuit.
They have baking.
She has
Okay. Next one. What's the matter with her? She has. She has. Terrible. What's the matter? We have baking. What's the matter?
She has biscuit. She has a biscuit.
She has a very good, perfect good, excellent. She has a bad cold. She has a bad cold. Okay, everybody check your test. And have, how does it feel? It's even terrible. What's the matter with him? He has a bad cold. What's the cold? What's the cold? Okay, very good. What happened? Okay, yesterday he had a fever. Very good. Advice? Shouldn't be. It's a good. You know about correct answer. Decide correct answer. Each group, one student come here. From each group, one student come here. Student below for okay. Second student come here. Second student come here. Second student come here. Okay, please. I say yours. You can write letter using and pass the question. Okay, please. You can sit down. Okay. Do you understand this? Listen to me carefully. If I say bacon, you have the bacon. Okay? If I say keyword, you can say keyword. Okay. Another student, please count words. How many words? Okay. Please, stomach ache. Okay, 3 students. Good. And runny nose. Okay, 2 students here. Broken arm. Okay, that's very good. And toothache. That's good. And earache. Okay, 2 students here. And headache. Okay, 2 students here. And please give me. Okay, next one. Okay, how many words there? How many words? 2 words. It's right, 2 words. And Okay, next. Keep this from here. Keep this from here. Okay, please. I say, stomach ache. 3 students here. Toothache. 3 students here. Broken arm. 1 automatic is good. Backache. Okay, the stomach very good. Foot. Okay, here's the picture. Headache. Okay, very good. Okay, next. First, this is here. First, this is here. First, this is here. First, this is here. Okay. Army nose. Toothache. Okay, next. Good. Backache. Okay, please looking here. Stomachache. Earache. Okay, blood drop. And tear. I think it's looking here. Okay, thank you. Let's count this. Okay. Here, you see? Who has manure? Who has manure? You can hang up. Nine or nine? Okay. 9 or 2? How many words? How many words? 7 words? How many words? 9 words. Okay, thank you. Now you have a dialogue. One student asks and another student asks each other, please. What means hair? What means hair? What 하다 발제를 하는 시간에 아줌마가 옥춘 유도. Listen up, everybody. Please listen up. Everybody listen up and talk to each other. What's the matter? Hello, what's the matter? I have to talk to each other. Okay? Everybody stand in the please stand. Everybody here. Você vai ser uma menina e na outra você dá só na frente. A do frente, a tudo bem please. Stand my stand, please. Example, please. Look at me, please, and listen to me. Hello. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. How do you feel?
I feel good.
Okay. Very good. Thank you. Goodbye. See you later. And next person come here. And another person, please. Please.
Hello. What's the matter? I feel very good and really good. I can use good drink good water. You should you go to thank you.
Next. Person come here. Please.
Hello. What's the matter? I have stomach.
What's the matter?
I have toothache. You should eat candy. Okay, you should take go to bed. Yes? Goodbye. See you later.
Okay, now, please write some advice for fewer students. Everybody please write for fewer patients, fewer persons. Okay, how to tell from young people, please write. Everybody please write. Okay. Are you finished? Yes. Please read to me loudly, please. Go on, please. Okay. Basta kung please, Stella. Then? You should go out. You should go out. 자, 하토사람 아주 please, right? Yes, yes, very good. Basta kung good is the next, please.
You should
Speak, basta kung please. Start.
You should use water bath. You should go to bed. You should take a medicine.
Okay, very good. Good student. Okay, very good. Excellent.
You should see
You should see a doctor. Okay. Very good. Good.
you shouldn't go.
You shouldn't go out. Very good.
You shouldn't go to bed. You should go to bed. You shouldn't go to school.
Okay, very good student.
You should school.
You shouldn't go to school.
You should pass me.
You should
Pass me the
take. You should take medicine. Okay, very good. Next. Okay,
You should go to the store. You should take medicine.
you should take medicine. You shouldn't drink cold water. Very good. Okay, everybody has please speak. Start. Every student. Every student has. Okay. All the students stand up. Right in the room. Okay. We have body part sound. Okay, please sing sound. Body part. Okay. No. I can see the sound of the mouth, and shoulders, What's the letter?
She has toothache.
She has toothache.
She has earache.
Earache. Very good. Good. Excellent. Six. Okay. Next one. Please. What's the letter, Richard?
She has stomachache.
Stomachache. Okay. What's the letter?
She has long nose.
Oh, runny nose. Good. Good. Excellent. Okay. Everybody, please. Oh, what's the letter? Very good, thank you. And now, please, read notes, please. 4, 4, 4, and 12.3. 15, 4. Okay, every student participated very well. Thank you. Please. 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 Stand up, please. No. Okay. The students too participated very well. Who is this? Who is this? Okay, very good students. Okay, very good. Okay, every student done. Student 1, student 2, very good students. Okay. Student 4 is only the same mark and then please. Okay, very good. For number, you write how many twice for a backache person. Backache person. Okay. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.